Hello! Shadowcat back with more Guild Wars 2.
Yes, and I'm Blizzard Star, and we are in Thunderhead Keep.
Yeah, we are. It is frigid here.
It is frigid. We are in the Shiver Peaks, the northern Shiver Peaks.
Fortunately, however, I found a coat.
Yes, I don't know how they have coats in our sizes, but it's okay.
Well, I mean, this is a joint venture. We have pretty much everything for everybody.
Oh, fair enough.
There's a char contingent here.
I guess so. You're right. So,
And besides that, I mean, we have 5 fingers, they have 5 fingers.
yeah, but we have claws on the edge of our fingers. I don't think any humans have claws.
Okay, but these are mittens, not gloves. They work fine.
Yeah.
Now, can I use a sword with mittens?
Can you use a sword without it catching your mitten on fire?
It's not real fire. It's really not real fire. Look, see? Are you being burned?
Yes. Put that.
No,
Yes.
not real fire.
Get away from my leg. I'm getting nervous.
It's not real fire.
Oh.
Now, the dagger, that's actually real lightning. You gotta be worried about the dagger. The sword, though? No. Now, Sahothin, that's real fire. This is just a cheap knockoff.
And how do you make it glow?
It's magic.
Anyway, so we have to gather dragon's blood. And
We do?
Yeah, apparently. Well, at least we have to kill branded things so we can get crystals so we can make dragon's blood swords.
We do?
Yeah.
That is not what I got out of that little venture. To be honest, though, I'm not exactly sure what we're doing. All I know is whatever we're doing, it's your responsibility.
Okay.
So, I mean, Ogden's around here. Maybe we should go talk to him. He seems to know everything.
He does. He's a dwarf.
And
All
he
right.
now lives in a hole.
He-
He's living in a hole. Lives
Dicky
in a hole.
Dicky hole? He's digging in a hole?
Obviously, he didn't dig a hole. The hole was already here.
Well, maybe.
He just lives in it now.
Well, I guess we all live in it. So we're all living in the hole.
This is too much fun.
Alright. Ogden!
Commander, I
Wait
take
for
it the
me.
trials went well.
Look at this place! Glint's secret forge under an ancient dwarven keep.
I've seen better.
Logan's here with the Pact. Same with Rox and the Omicon. Saida too. She gave us a ride after I filled her in. The whole crew's gearing up for Kralkatorrik.
Do I hear singing coming from the forge?
The Zephyrite Choir, an integral part of the forging process. My people built this place, but the Zephyrites in Exalted have cared for it since the days of Glint.
Hope everything still works. We've got an army to equip with dragon's blood weapons.
Speak to the Forge Master, Helena. She'll get you started.
Timey?
Hi, Timmy.
Timmy,
Good to see
how
you.
Are you feeling? You look a little tired.
See? I told you. You need to rest. Tell her, Commander. She never listens to me.
She's doing fine, thanks. Gork, why don't you update the commander on our progress, huh?
We've been using the data from... the tracker.
It's giving us way more than we expected. Kralk's vitals, the magic he's channeling, plus all the tracking data. We're seeing him take real damage from Glint's army, and every time we slam one of his rifts shut.
Good. We want him as weak as possible before we face off.
We were also able to evacuate several villages before his minions broke through.
Every time you get the word out, you two are saving lives.
We three.
I mean, it's true.
Yeah.
We wouldn't have gotten this far without Blish.
Yeah.
So, Which way is the forge then?
I'm assuming this way.
Then I feel like I should be going a different way.
Thanks.
Oh. Yeah, argue with me some more.
I will.
Argue with me some more in your sense of direction.
How lost can we get it down here in a mountain, honestly?
I mean, I don't know how lost we can get, but if there's a way to do it, I'm sure you'll find it.
Thanks.
Never mind.
Huh? Want to say something else?
I want to say lots of things.
A wise char?
Scion and champion. We've waited a long time for this.
Forge Master. Heard you can arm us to fight an Elder Dragon.
Indeed. The Dragon's Blood Forge is ready, but we will need a special oil to quench the weapons, or they'll shatter. The dredge extracted on the ice floe to the southwest. I sent your friends to retrieve some, but they haven't returned.
I'll see if I can hurry them along.
Alright.
Dredge?
Yeah?
Wait, as in like we're working with the dredge?
Yes.
And not killing the dredge?
We still might be killing the dredge, but we'll see.
Because, like, that's...
Weird?
I've never met a dredge that didn't need to be stabbed in the face.
Well, dredge do... they have a claim to this.
Or shot in the face. I mean, I was still packing pistols the last time I saw dredge.
Yeah, that's true. Back in Ascalon. That's been a long time ago.
It was a long time ago. I mean, that was, not just there. That was, Ascalon and the Shiver Peaks.
Oh, yeah. Huh.
Who's water?
So this is
Actually, no, that was the Molten Alliance. That was the last time we saw a dredge.
Who's the Molten Lions?
How did you forget the Molten Alliance?
I must have hit my head.
I'm sure your head has been hit several times. Where are you going?
That's a good question.
We have to
Anyway.
get out of here. That means we go back the way we came. Up there. See, look at the magic hanging in the air. And the great big tapestry tarp things that are hanging up there.
Huh. Interesting.
Yeah.
Alright, back out into the frozen wasteland.
Yeah. You know what I also realize?
What's that?
We have rides.
Well, we do. I guess we don't have to do this, do we?
No, we really don't. I don't feel like running the whole way.
That's fair.
I love my Griffin.
I like my raptor more, but he would not enjoy this weather, I don't think.
Okay. Door.
information
Gotta
if you
find a
want to come
door.
over.
I'm assuming it's this way.
Maybe?
And that's a cave-in, so we go this way. How hard is it to find a door?
I don't know.
Alright, this looks like a promising doorway.
Maybe?
We are out.
Careful.
Looking for information, Commander?
Maybe?
Yes. What you got?
Robon's heading an archaeological dig from this location. I suspect he'll need help. The Deldrimore ruins are richly historical, but under constant attack. Until we hold them, we can't send people in.
We've also located a number of sealed dwarven tombs in what we believe to be the Keep's catacombs. Here's a place the Dredge calls Sorrow's Cave. We haven't explored far in this direction.
Alright.
Well, that's something at least.
No anything.
That gives us it gives us an update on our map.
That's true.
So, checking the map now, shows us all of that area, but we need to go
Far south.
much further.
Metal?
Yeah.
Metal, badge, where? Take us now.
Okay.
There's no badge. That was a joke.
Honorary script, no longer a script.
They're your boss, though.
Okay. I'm actually cool with having a Skrit here.
Why?
Well, I mean, I kind of like the Skrit.
They're
All right, Griffin.
not exactly the smartest creatures in the world.
Well, until you plug a whole bunch of them together.
Oh, so they're like building blocks.
Kinda, yeah.
Oh, okay.
The more you plug in, the smarter they get.
Imagine a whole colony Skrit. They'd be frightfully intelligent.
Yeah, why don't you ask Timey about that?
How does she know?
Oh, because every Asura knows. And
Oh.
every Asura is terrified of it.
I guess so.
Okay. We're at a nice little vantage point here. We might be able to go fast.
We might.
Maybe that other cliff over there be better.
Okay. Hoopa! Do we want to
Is
go
that an
all
airship?
Yep, that looks like a downed airship.
That airship doesn't even really all look downed.
Oh,
However, I think you're right. Ooh, can we get up higher?
I think so. Yep.
Aha!
Oh,
This is going to be a great launching point.
there is wolves down there.
Okay. To the airship. Can we do it? Can we do it? Yeah, we can do it.
You can. I can't. Griffin going down.
Griffin down?
Griffin down.
That's not right.
I landed on the edge of the airship. I'm not on top.
Oh. Can you get up here?
I don't know. Let me check.
I would go to the bow of the airship and see if you can get up there.
Something tells me no.
Oh. Well, that's disappointing then. In that case, meet you there?
Okay. Let's go.
Whoosh!
Whoosh indeed.
I love this, Griffin! Wait. I think I passed it. Bank!
Freedom should be better than this.
You're not wrong.
Hello!
Hi.
I love this!
Woo! Woo!
Dive!
I've got the speeds.
So much speed!
Commander, the oil vents are sealed with brand crystals. And even if they weren't, Varya here seems disinclined to share.
We lost half our people to the brand. Our rigs, too. And now you want what little oil we have left?
We want the same thing, Varya. One less Kralkatoric in the world. I could crack the brand crystals off your vats and equipment. Would that make you feel a bit more generous?
It might.
Okay.
Okay. Crack brand crystals, like what, this one?
Yeah.
That was too big. Oh, this one.
Hop.
Here, let me show you how it's done.
I just cracked it. Don't be a show off.
We should do it together.
Maybe.
Wait. All right. On 3. 1,
2,
2,
3.
3.
Look at that synchronization.
That's fun. I'm having fun.
Now we have to crack the big one.
Wait, like that big one?
That big one.
Okay. I was gonna crack that one first, but whatever, I guess.
I guess we need some more training.
All right, hold on. All right, ready?
Ready.
1, 2,
3.
3. Ow.
Ow.
Dragon! It's Aurene. She's on our side.
Oh, thanks, Irene.
Thanks, Aurene, but we don't want Kralkatorik's attention just yet. Maybe head back underground. Check on Timey for me.
Oh yes, by all means. Check on Tiny. Ugh.
Well, Varia, where do we stand?
You kept your word. I'll give you what we can spare. If your friends can get our rigs running again, there'll be more.
Isn't it interesting?
We'll make sure the
We
oil
get
gets to the
exactly
Forge
what
Master.
we need. See?
Commander, once you've
You're
got
here.
oil, we'll need a new
Now I
weapon
can go.
mold. Forge Master Helena says the old one cracked. She suggests we talk to the dwarves. Robon's around, but he's just ahead, so here's Ogden.
What do I... Hello?
Ogden, we need a new mold for casting the weapons. Any ideas?
There's Frodak Steelstar. Never
Good
met
thing
him,
we took
but the
care of
Dragon's Blood Spear was
Let's
his
go.
pride and joy. He'd know.
Sounds like just the dwarf. Where can I find him?
Well, he's dead. But that never stopped you before. Might be a clue in his tomb. Have a look, and take notes for me.
We have to go talk to another dead dwarf.
I mean, he's right. It did never stop us.
Yeah.
We've been dead before.
We've talked to that before.
Twice.
Yeah.
And, yeah, you know, if I recall correctly, wasn't it back in the Cursed Shore? Didn't we get like a necromancer, or we talked to ghosts there or something?
I think so.
We had to do something like that. I don't remember what it was.
It was
I
something.
think we talked to ghost pirates.
Oh, yes. I think we helped them out. Find their
Yeah,
ship or
something
something.
like that.
Yeah.
So I mean, we're kind of old hands at this.
That's true.
The question is, how far are we going to get? Was that Aurene up there?
Maybe.
Whatever this is, I don't want any part of it. There's a lot of branded out here.
I don't think Tommy appreciated us having Irene watch her.
I think that's because everybody's watching Timey right now. This way.
Okay.
I just feel like we should be going up.
Would be good.
If we're going up, we can't be going in the wrong direction.
That's true.
And if you go up, and it is the wrong direction, it's a lot easier to go down.
That's fair. And can I blame you then?
Sure, you can try to blame me for whatever you want. It's not going to stick.
Fair enough.
I have no idea where we are. However, it's a nice high point. Oh, wait. I see the airship.
There's the airship.
Wait, where did I lose you?
I'm above you.
Wait, above me?
Yeah. I'm
Oh,
over
you're
by the
above me.
airship.
Oh, you're already at the airship.
Yeah.
Oh, never mind then. Hold on, I'm coming.
Keep up.
I never even noticed you passed me. Okay then. Back to the keep.
Yep.
So of course that nothing stops us.
Like branded?
There's a bridge over there. We need that bridge.
We do need that bridge.
I don't think my griffin can get across the way
Chasm?
without it.
Probably not.
Okay though. And from here...
Is that a palm tree?
I don't think it's a palm tree, but it kind of looks like one.
What would a palm tree
But
be
that-
doing?
I say that would insinuate that this was tropical once.
I mean, it could be.
Okay, so we need to get back into the keep. Do you remember where the door was?
Over this way, I do believe.
Looking for information, Commander?
No.
No, I don't want to know what you have to say anymore. We did that once.
Yeah.
Once was sufficient.
Alright. So they said a crypt. So this might be the way to the crypt?
I love my bird.
Oh, that's very spidery. So I think, yeah, we're going down to the crypt.
It's creepy. It's spooky. Let's go inside.
You like creepy and spooky, don't you?
Not really. It's just funny.
Oh, okay. There, Griffin.
Aha! Stairs are for losers.
I can hear you crashing around in there. Leave my stuff alone.
Excuse me. Do you know where I can find the tomb of Frodak Steelstar?
You found it. What do you want?
I'm looking for a mold. Need to cast some weapons to kill Kralkatorrik.
Are you? What happened to the first spear we made? Oh, right. You broke it. Yeah, that's right. I know who you are. Word gets around. Ghosts gossip. Not a lot else to do in the mists. You know. You know.
I do. So, can you help me?
I could if I could go in my own damn tomb. Because there's gravelings in there treasure place. I can hear you!
So you're saying there's another mold in there I can take?
You bet your dragon-killing boots. Here, take this plate. You'll need it to get inside. You're in for it now, pal!
Alright. Frodak, what else do you have to say?
Plenty more handy stuff in these ruins, by the way. But plenty of locked gates, too. And some of the ghosts around here are real jerks. Always moving the damn plates around.
Good to know.
I mean, I wasn't planning on grave robbing, but I
Alright.
mean, it was never off the table.
Well, if he says that we can desecrate his tomb, why not?
Oop.
Alright. Poof.
Okay. I'm gonna bring some lightning.
That's probably a good idea. Or fire. Fire would work too.
Think fire?
Probably fire.
Oh, so I can use plasma then.
I mean, I guess so.
Be still, my beating little heart.
Alright. Is there something in here? Oh!
Oh yeah, that's something.
That is definitely something.
I blame you for this.
You'd blame me anyway, it won't stick.
I mean, I'm not your biggest fan right now.
You don't have to be.
You want fire? I got fire for you. Man, he was not kidding. This thing is tough to kill.
It really is.
A little bit of plasma will do the job, though.
Alright, you.
Or, you know, it could show up again. How
Are
about
you-
some more fire, though?
Are you not impressed us killing your babies?
Ha!
Alright. We got the mold. Let's get out of here.
I even got an extra.
Oh, there you go.
Just in case you break yours.
I'm
Just
offended.
because you'll probably break yours.
I'm very offended.
Okay, and I'm very prepared. I mean, that was easy.
Yeah,
Compared
sure.
to killing a dragon.
Yeah. To be fair, anything's
Ooh.
easier than killing a dragon.
That is cool magic.
Ancient Assyrian? Dwarven? I don't know.
That's just magic. Alright. So, we got your mold.
I don't think he really cares.
He doesn't care. Alright, so now we gotta get out of here.
Yep. On upwards.
Try not to break that one.
Yeah, there's like no way to get out of here the proper way.
No. Upwards and upwards.
Aha. Here we go.
Stairs. Ricky's
These aren't
scared.
stairs. These are boards that somebody from the Priory just cobbled together.
Hey, it works.
Oh yeah, until someone gets killed.
Yeah.
Then suddenly it didn't work.
We can have our internal slumber with the dwarf there.
No, we can't. We've been dead like twice before. You think the third time's gonna keep us down?
Yes. Third time's a charm?
Yeah, I doubt it. Why don't you leave us alone, spiders? Why don't you keep one as a pet? You like spiders.
I don't particularly care for spiders, no.
You like all creepy things.
I mean, you're not wrong on that one, actually.
If there was a giant snake, you'd want it.
You know, you're right. I would.
If there was a giant lizard, you'd want it.
Yes, I would. Alright. Back
Where are
down
we
we
going?
go.
I guess we're going straight ahead.
Well, there's no other path. One leads out, one leads into blocked off area. So yeah,
To refine this. Using magic to fly is really cool. However, there's got to be a better way to contain it like this.
yeah. I'm worried you might shock me with your magic ball of magic.
Shock you, toast you, knock you down. Something like that.
Yeah, don't burn my glider, please. I carved them for Moth himself.
Okay, well, not trying to. I'm just thinking there's a way I could probably do it better.
Fair enough.
I'm running out of stamina, though.
Alrighty.
Scouting reports.
Oh, this seems familiar.
Whenever you want it.
Kinda.
Kinda.
Wait, have we been here before?
I assume so.
None of it looks familiar.
Hmm.
Well, I mean, you seem to know where you're going around here. For some reason. I
Like
don't know
said.
when you suddenly turn into the navigator, but I mean, it's about time. Oh, no, wait, there's our tent.
Yeah. How far can again? How could you get lost in a mountain? There's only so many ways you can go in a mountain.
I mean, it's a pretty big mountain.
I mean, you're not wrong, but still.
They basically just hollowed out an entire mountain.
Yep.
I mean, this is wild.
Well, the dwarves and the exalted live down here, apparently.
Speaking of, everyone's down there. But I wonder if we can reach here. Nope. Didn't make that one.
No, you didn't. Good try though. Valiant effort.
Yeah.
F for execution though.
Yeah. Like these giant fires up here. How does anybody light those?
Magic.
Yeah, I'm guessing they got to throw a whole bunch of fireballs at it and hope that something catches.
Or you can just float up there and poof it into existence.
You're really far ahead of me. And now you're not. I love that spell.
Show off.
You have no idea.
Alright.
Alright,
Forge
Exalted.
Master.
We've
All
got
right.
your mold.
We have oil, and we have a mold.
Then you're ready to cast the first weapon. Bring the mold to the quenching pools.
Okay.
Where's the quenching pool?
Oh, right here.
Oh, okay.
Good.
Dunk.
The Zephyrite choir you hear will vibrate the crystal at the proper frequency. When you and the Scion release the crystal's resonance, the raw material will become malleable. Last time, we used a shard from Kralkatorik's body. Now we shall use brand crystals from the dragon's minions.
Okay.
I mean, that seems to work.
Okay.
So...
Hi, Irene.
Oh!
Aurine, you're up. Same as in the trials.
Thank you, Irene.
With the fire. You see a hint of what will emerge. Only a shape for now and rough. But the promise of beauty is there.
So what do we do now?
Almost done. Get ready to quench the weapon.
Okay.
Now, quench it in the pool.
Pull the lever!
Hold the lever.
A fine, worthy of Glint's forge.
Glad you approve. Now to try it out on the branded.
I'll have more waiting for you when you return.
Thank you. Alright.
Okay, so then... Wait.
We're going back
how does she make more without us? I guess Irene's gonna stay here and help?
I guess so.
Okay.
Alright, let's
Well-
go kill some branded.
Looks like I got a quiver of 10 spears.
Yeah.
This ought to be fun.
I think so.
I mean, I didn't get to actually touch one during the trials.
No, you didn't. So now it's your lucky chance.
I look forward to it. Alright, Griffin!
Who's?
Woohoo!
Everything is so much better when you have wings.
You should make yourself a set of wings.
Think I could?
Why not?
I mean,
You're skilled
I
in magic.
did used to.
Yeah.
I did used to have a pair when I was still with the Order of Whispers. They were, you know, jet wings.
Yeah.
Maybe. I could look into that.
You should.
I mean, something more controlled,
Yeah.
more restrained. You know, magic given form instead of just the wild magic that I have right now to glide on.
I agree. If anyone can
I
do it,
think
you
I-
can.
I could maybe do something like that.
And you can match your griffin.
Well, I think that would be more feathers than magic. But either way,
Oh, whatever.
I'm kind of curious. Here's the crossroads.
Yep.
That way.
Alright, let's go find ourselves a branded.
So just any branded?
I guess so.
Well, that's a worm.
Yeah, wormwood's not going to help us.
However... Well, there's nothing over here. I thought it'd be so hard to find Brand.
Right?
I don't see anything.
Neither do I.
This is like the most brand-free area I've ever seen.
Really is.
There's less branded here than there is back in Ascalon.
Huh.
What down here?
Nothing down here.
No, you are not joking. No, I am not up for some archaeology.
How did I get here?
I wonder if we should just go into those big brandy crystal areas.
I don't know. Well, there's something else up this way, I think.
Okay.
I'm heading back into the keep.
The Prior
Coming?
put me here to
I'm
scout
coming.
the area. Got findings if you want them.
Because we went like 3 of the 4 directions.
Mm-hmm.
What about here?
Can we get through here?
How did I get here?
Maybe not. Big door and no way through.
Yeah.
And then that just goes down. It almost seems like we don't have to fight Kralkatorg at this point.
Right? There's none of his minions are here at all.
What about that big bridge?
There might be something there.
I mean... Oh, there's something down there. Little branded.
Hi,
All right,
Brandon.
let's see what this does. Bam!
Ooh!
Anyone seen Spirit?
Not since we got here.
Said she had something important to do.
Okay, let me know when she gets back.
Well, these things work good.
Don't they? Aren't they amazing?
I'll try that again. Maybe that's something bigger this time.
Like a Minotaur?
If I could find one.
Elementals?
An oil elemental. That's weird. I have many elementals. An oil elemental is not one of them.
There's all sorts of elementals that way, but just elementals.
Oh, well, not good for us then.
No.
Finding branded. I guess it'd be too much to ask for one of Kralkatorg's lieutenants to show up right now.
Right?
That is a very deep pit.
It's a very deep pit.
I don't think we're finding anything in there. Let's see.
Where is this?
Can we find anything out here? Now there's something.
A griffin.
A branded griffin. Got him!
Time
Alright.
there.
No, you rest. What is it?
Is everything okay?
Everything's fine.
Well, we are seeing ghosts appear for no obvious reason, but they're not hostile, so technically, yes, strange, but fine.
Huh. Well, I tested the new spears. Not as powerful as the original, but they'll do if we make enough for everyone.
I'll check with the Forge Master and run the numbers.
We are on it.
This place.
feel like Timey is slightly nettled.
I think she's slightly nettled, yes.
Okay, well, we head back to the forge.
Yep.
The spears work. You know, when you can actually find Brandon.
Right.
Turns out that was the hardest part of the test.
To find the branded? Yes.
Who knew?
Right?
What is this place?
Alright, so we just gotta find the door again.
Yeah, it should be around.
Everything looks the same out here. I hate snow!
Are you saying we should stay in Ascalon?
I mean, Ascalon is fine. I would have also been fine with literally anywhere else. We could go to Kryta. We could go back to Maguma. We could go back to the desert.
Really?
Why did it have to be snow?
You hate the desert, though.
Better than snow.
That's fair.
The Priory put me here to scout the area. Got findings
Aha.
if you want them.
I like the snow, actually. It doesn't make my fur as frizzy.
You would like the snow.
You can dress for cold. You can't dress for heat.
Sure you can.
Uh-huh.
You can undress for heat.
There's only so much you can take off unless you're willing to shave your whole pelt.
I mean, that'd be a little bit extreme.
Exactly. You can put on more layers. You can't take anything more off.
Got some information if you want it, Commander.
Griffins like this.
Yeah.
Like, a lot.
Go
This
figure.
is fun.
They're natural. This is like a natural thing for them.
No, I mean these little balls.
Oh. Wait, are they eating it or what?
I don't know. Makes them fly good, though. Oh. And I botched my dive.
So did I. Twice. I am not a flyer.
I'm not very good at it yet either, but I'm getting better.
Oh, good.
Aha! Back to the forge.
Now you're finding your way around.
Excellent. So, Forge Master, I guess from here we head back to the auditorium?
Yep, looks like it.
I don't know. Where is the auditorium even?
It looks like through that big old door.
Wait, which door?
That door. In the middle of the room.
The middle of the room is a giant forge.
Over here. This door.
Oh, that door.
Yeah.
That is a big door.
Yeah.
Okay, well, I'm gonna get some more spears.
That's a probably good idea. We should
I'm
re-equip.
gonna get some more spears.
Yeah.
And once I got a few more spears, then maybe we can go through the door.
That's probably a good idea.
However, that may take some time.
Yeah, because we have to make more spears.
Yeah, so we'll take the time. We'll get the spears remade. We'll re-equip. Then we'll go see what's behind door number 1.
Yes.
So if you want to see what's behind door number 1, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell icon. That way you're here to find out what's behind door number 1.
And give us a big old thumbs up if you enjoyed us collecting items for more spears.
Yeah, fun. If maybe a bit silly sometimes.
Yeah.
Otherwise, though, don't forget to share this video with anyone you think might like it. Don't forget to leave a comment down below, and we'll see you next time for more Guild Wars 2. And until then, take care.
See you next time. Bye.